Good evening to everyone. Today I'll be presenting the cup or car activity alongside with Arnav Gupta. The following scratch code is designed to create dynamic system where a sprite is continuously generated that glide downwards across the screen while reacting to image recognition results. The process starts when the green flag is clicked. Initially, the original sprite is hidden to avoid any interference, and two variables, item and y, are set to 0 and 152 respectively. The item variable is used to control the costumes of the clone, while y variable determines the vertical position of the clones on the stage. A clone of the sprite is immediately created to start the process.
Once a clone is created, the code in the when I start as a clone block takes over. Here, the item variable is incremented by 1 for each. If the value of item reaches 23, the costume of the clone is switched to match the value of the item. This likely corresponds to a specific costume related to the sprite's role in the program. The clone is then made visible and positioned at the top of the stage with the value of x0 and y152 to ensure the visibility and the clone brought to the frontmost layer of the stage. The clone begins to move downward by gliding from its initial position during the movement. The program checks if the costume image is recognized as a car using an image recognition block. If the label car is detected, the clone glides to a random position on the left side of the screen with x values between minus 210 and minus 100. If the label is not car, the clone glides to a random position on the right side of the screen with x of value 100 and 210. This behavior introduces randomness and the interactivity into the system, likely simulating and sorting or characterization based on the recognition result.
After completing its horizontal movement, the clone moves forward downward by reducing its y position by 14 units, simulating continuous falling. At this point, the clone creates another clone of itself, repeating the process in an infinite loop. This system effectively generates an endless string of clones that react dynamically to image recognition and move in predetermined patterns, which could be used in a game, simulation, or educational project involving image based categorization and motion. Now, the following is an example of the explained Scratch code in compilation. As we can clearly see, the code continues to work in a predefined manner and works flawlessly. Thank you so much for attending this fruitful session, I hope, and I'm hoping we will see each other soon.
Thank you.